has to be something there. Clear it out and move on to the next. Countdown begins. Looks like that scared you, huh? I must be onto something important for you to try to defend yourself like this. What? Hello? Where's that voice coming from? I can't let them get to the heart.
How's it going, Spider-Man?
I think I'm almost done clearing this nest. But Pete, I'm hearing these voices.
I hear them too.
Keep looking for that meteorite. Don't let him get in your head. That's not Harry talking.
Right. You're right. Call me when you finish up.
Stay focused, Pete. Your time's running out.
Join us.
This better work. That did it. Heart.
Miles, we need you.
It's still here.
Please.
Where am I?
You are home. Finally, you are where you belong.
Is this what happens when people turn into symbiotes?
You are safe here. Everyone you love is safe here.
My head. I have to find a way out.
Why would you leave? We are here. You can be too.
This isn't where I belong, Harry. Neither do you. Come on, Miles. Come on.
Let us heal you. Bring us Peter.
That's not the way, Harry. You know that. Haley? What are you showing me?
Please, join us.
Haley's in trouble. Pete, I saw the meteorite. It's under the Harlem subway station, next to the bridge.
Heading there now!
Wait for me though, man. Harry, he's after you. I have to go help Haley, but just wait, all right?
Whoa, back up! What happened?
I got sucked into the hive mind. Saw this vision of the meteorite underground. But I've got a bad feeling.
You think Harry's there?
I'm serious, Pete. Just give me 10 minutes. You cannot do this alone.
Right. Call me when you're done. Sorry, Miles, but I can't waste any time. There's the subway entrance. Miles has to be right. That's where the meteorite is. Just have to clear out this bridge. Everyone stay in your cars. I won't let them hurt you. Harry! ڤینەم! I know you're here!
You found us.
Yes! I'm here, buddy! I know! Just hang on! I'm coming! Coming out of the subway tunnel! The meteorite has to be underground! ڤینەم! Please talk to me! I have to get underground. I can't leave these people behind. Not now! I don't have time for this. Maybe... No. Come on, Spider-Man. Almost done. Harry! Can you hear me? I'll find you, buddy. I'm coming! You! Not now! I don't have time for this. Maybe... No. Come on, Spider. Almost done. Harry! Can you hear me? I'll find you, buddy. I'm coming! Just stay down! Subway tunnel. Hey, everything all good with Haley?
Not yet, but you still owe me a few more minutes. Hang tight. Haley! No! What are you doing here? I was trying to save you. You're incredible. I like you so much, and I think you like me. Do you want to go out? Hey, on a date? Is that a yes? Well, it's a date then. After all this is over. Pete! I'm on the way! Pete?
Harry!
Hey, it's Harry. Leave a message.
Hey, buddy. I talked to Dr. Connors. He says you're too far gone, but I know that's not true. Harry, I messed up. I was terrible to you. Your dream, our dream, healing the world. I'm sorry.
Peter, you're here.
I'm here.
Are you finally ready?
Harry, I can't. I want to help you, Harry! Oh, no.
Spider-Man, where are you? Did you go down there?
You were right. It has to be here. He has to... I'm sorry, I couldn't...
I know, man. I'll try to find a way inside.
It's gonna be okay! Everyone's gonna be okay! I have to get to that meteorite! I'm so close! Harry, talk to me!
Please help us, Peter. We need you.
I'm trying, buddy. I just need that meteorite, okay? Miles, I'm not seeing a rock.
No? Hold on, I'm nearly to you.
Thanks for coming, Pete. We want to show you something.
Harry, what are you?
We are healed. Finally free. We can give that gift to everyone. But we need you with us, Pete.
can't stay here.
You good, man?
We need to call MJ. I know where the meteorite is.
MJ, we all need to meet up at May's house.
What's going on out there, guys?
It's the meteorite that the symbiote arrived in. He's using it to transform the city. I know where it is!
And we're gonna steal it. Time to game plan.
I'm in. See you guys at home.
Listeners, I implore you, stay inside your homes. Lock the doors. Board the windows. Trust no one. The city is overrun with a miasma of massive, oppressive tendrils emanating from the ground beneath our feet, spawning creatures from what feels like hell itself. They're capturing us, converting us, and will soon overtake us. Don't give them the chance. While the government sits on its hands, my loyal listeners have taken to the forums, looking for any signs of weakness these creatures show. We will defend ourselves. We know we can't count on the Spider-Men to save us. If this last week's events have proven anything beyond a shadow of a doubt, it's that the heroes make things worse, not better. In the meantime, stay safe. Remain vigilant. We will get through this. New York does not go down without a fight. And I will be there, right next to you, on the front lines. Godspeed, and may we all see tomorrow.
I think that's another nest! Hello? Anyone here? Is Black Cat's old hideout. trophy. You can do this. Can't let up. Gotta save these people.
Listen up. If you can hear this podcast and you're still on the island of Manhattan, shelter in place. Seal the windows, bolt the doors, do not leave your homes. First responders are organizing emergency medical and focused evac. Feast is delivering food and survival supplies. Check my socials for up-to-the-minute route info. And sound off...
Another nest! Last one was rough! What are we supposed to do?
I don't know. Just hold the perimeter.
2 hearts on this nest? As if it wasn't horrifying enough. Stay in control, Pete. You can do this. They keep coming!
must be asking, when did this turn into a science fiction podcast? I'll tell you, when fiction became reality. As a boy, I would read stories of beings from other worlds who wreaked great terror upon our planet. And righteous heroes wouldn't back down no matter the odds. The morals were clear and simple, window-dressed in outrageous circumstance, to escape our humdrum reality. What I wouldn't give for our boring lives to
Somebody help me! Stay where you are. I'll find you.
You may be a hero out there, but in here.
I got news for you. To some people, I'm a villain no matter where I am.
What just happened?
You want to survive?
Gotta find that fake Mysterio.
Impossible!
Now back to the other guy.
I may be an illusion, but your pain is real. Time to take control of the situation.
Okay, where's Mysterio?
Damn you!
Okay, gotta take out the rest of them.
I expect better from the amazing Spider-Man!
Finally.
Your success is temporary.
I thought I was gonna die.
You're out of danger now. Take it slow. Looks like I got a message.
Spider-Man, Betsy here. Quentin and Cole are scrubbing through all the very helpful data you provided, and I was thinking, when the Mysteriums are back to operating safely, it'd be great to get a Spider-Man endorsement. Pro bono, of course. We're running out of capital here, and it's making Quentin quite anxious. Anyway, just a thought. No need to call back. Bye.
Sorry, Betsy. We have a firm rule against Spidey endorsements. Might want to rethink that business plan. that's a nest. I better check it out. 2 hearts again? Okay, I can do this. You can do this, Miles. This is tough, but I hear you, Dad. I'm not giving up.
Spider-Man. It's Norman Osborn.
Mr. Osborn? Did you mean to request my partner?
I already spoke to him. Now I'm talking to you. My son, Harry. He needs...
We're not gonna let anything happen to your son.
Do I have your word?
I know what it's like to lose someone too.
I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you, Spider-Man.
I wonder if a cat can fit in that.